It's Suzanne here, and I'm finally in my new studio. Moved the house, moved the studio, moved everything. Boy, that was a lot of work. Also got to spend the weekend out in Cali for the Kaboo music festival in Del Mar. It was amazing. Bryan Adams, oh, what a hottie at 59 years old. And Duran Duran, those two were my favorite. Anyway, today's subject is IPSY. I signed up for an IPSY subscription a couple weeks ago, and this is the first one that I got. Let's go look let's go look and see what's inside. There we go. Here we go. I've got my scissors, and we're breaking the seal right now. Whoopsies. There we go. Ew. Look, they even put a little something soft so nothing breaks. I like that. Okay. Bring this, put this on my lap. All right. First thing is find your light. Okay, September's all about new paths and possibilities. So this is a little brochure that comes with the box. It's going to give me some more information about the products. Yay. First thing, ooh, it's from Nomad, special edition for IPSY. It is Nomad X, Berlin Underground. Berlin Underground. Well, yeah, I'm German. Huh? Berlin. Sounds pretty good to me. So Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Intense eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments for a fierce color payoff. Ooh. Infused with hemp seed oil to help energize and nourish the skin. 15 alternative shades inspired by the rebellious underground culture of Berlin before and after the wall. Okay, well, I'm a child of the wall. I remember when it came down. For 28 years, a subculture of resistance and opposition grew in a city divided. Politics, art, and music all intersected for the rebellious youth fighting against the establishment. Not presidents, prime minister, nor monarchs could make the difference. In the end, it was from humanity that the wall was built and the wall came down. Wow. Okay, this is cruelty-free and vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Okay, a lot on this box. Berlin. Hallo, guten Morgen, Berlin. Let's toss this, and it opens up. Oh, my goodness. Look at these fantastic colors. I'm not going to be doing a one-on-one, let's swatch every color. There's just not enough time. But there are colors called Kreuzberg, SOS 36, it's SOS 36. The Wall, East Side Gallery, Techno, NDW, NDW. Helden means hero. Poor but sexy. Tacheles, Love Parade, Deutschpunk, German Punk. Chaos Stage, Oranienstraße, Hansa und Clubnacht. Okay, I love these shades. I'm gonna be making some great looks with these non-traditional. I think I can do something with this. Yeah, fabulous. Okay, thank you, Nomad. Next comes, okay, I do care. I do care. Disco Kitten, illuminating diamond peel-off mask. Oh my goodness. A Korean brand because everything back here is is Korean. I find something in English here. Disco Kitten is a gentle diamond and pearl cream-based peel-off mask that changes from white to brilliant chrome when applied to skin. Gently peel off for a visibly tightened, radiant, and youthful complexion. Right. Well, let's open up this box. All right. It has this thing on top, I guess, to seal it and keep it airtight after you take the shipping seal off, impurity seal. Oh my, it's on here. Can you see? Divine, absolutely divine. I'm going to put this on here so we don't waste anything and let this dry. Oh, see how shimmery this is? Oh, this is, oh, and it's sticky, very sticky. Well, it has to be for a peel-off mask. I wonder how long this takes. Let's see if we can get some information on this product. All right, I'm gonna put this on. There we go. Okay. Remove excess water after cleaning. Yes, this is dry. Apply a generous and even layer to skin with the silicone mask brush. Well, I have one somewhere. I am not completely unpacked from the move, but I know I have one of those brushes. Avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Leave on and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry, gently peel off from the edges of the face. Rinse off any excess with warm water and apply toner and moisturizer. Caution for external use only. Stop using immediately if a rash, red spots, swelling, itching, or irritation occurs during the usage. Consult a physician if symptoms get worse. Avoid direct exposure to sunlight or high temperatures. Do not use if you have a scar, open wound, eczema, or dermatitis. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, well, we probably may not see the results today, but I'll do another video with just this. 30 minutes, huh? It's a long time. All right. Next is a box from Siete, London. Extraordinary translucent powder. Ooh. It says, apply generously to all areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large, fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. And then they have it all in French and then in German again. Großzügig auf Bereiche mit Concealer auftragen. Yep, it's German. Okay, here we go. Yes, I grew up in Germany. I'm an army brat. My mom was German, my dad American. I spent a lot of time in Germany and in Italy. Okay, so this is a cute little container. So yeah, I got my initial training in Germany, in Wiesbaden, at the Berufsfachschule für Kosmetik. Okay, is this open? No. Let's see. Whoa. Where's, oh, here it is. Okay, I see the tape little doohickey. All right. Rid of this. We're going to put a little bit in the lid. It is a very light powder, very white. I'm just gonna press some on my nose. I'm going to use that tomorrow to bake. Does it smell like anything? No, not really. Okay, well, good. I'm always on the search of a good powder. Next is, all right, Madison Miller. Ofra Madison Miller. MIDI palette. Miller Squad. All right, what does it say here? The squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette, which includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shook status, and a perfect soft pink blush. Take your glow bestie to go with this slim, travel-friendly compact with a mirror. How to use. With your favorite brush, apply blush and highlight to the high points of the face to give the appearance of a more lifted features and a glowing, radiant complexion. All Ofra pressed blushes and powders can be applied wet or dry for max pigment payoff. Wow. Okay. Let's tear this puppy open. Oh, this is a nice plastic container. It's got a matte finish to it. Oh, and look how beautiful this is. All right. I'm going to do this on this hand. Ha! All right. And let me do this. Peachy highlight. Okay, let's do a little bit of the blush. Right here. Peachy, soft peachy color. Okay, and then the last highlighter. See how that just reflects the light? Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. All right. Thank you. This was, again, Madison Miller, Ofra. Ofra. Okay. And last but not least, here is, let's say, Wander Beauty. Oh, you know what? I've seen the ads on my Facebook feed from Wander. I've yet to try any. I see the foundation going around a lot right now. Anyway, so Wander Beauty. This is Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. Beauty Essentials. And this is, can I see? The precise, easy to use pencil designed to enhance and fill in brows. How to use. Build full, beautiful brows using short strokes to define the brow and fill in sparse areas. Use the spoolie end for a natural looking finish. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Okay. Oh, this is taped shut. All right, where are the scissors? All right, whoops. Really got to dig into this puppy. It's a thick piece of tape right here. All right, I think I got it. Oh, and it looks like this was very pretty packaging. Oh, it is a taupe color. Can we see it? Yes, we can. What color does it say it is? Wander Beauty. a gold writing. I can barely see it. One and pencil, but it doesn't say what the color is. Oh, taupe. Yes, it says taupe. Great. Yeah, I'm gonna love this because taupe is my color. See this? And it's a sturdy pencil too, so you can really get into that brown. Oh, all right. Well, thank you, IPSY. This was a wonderful first time receiving of the box. I can't wait for the next month's. It'll be fun. It's like Christmas every month. All right. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you have used these products before, let me hear from you. I want to know. What do you think? Do they work for you? Is there a trick to making them work better? I want to know. All right. Until next time, see you. Love to you all.